Holiday seasons are the busiest time for the packaging industry. Faster delivery, higher quality, and more flexible customization are core requirements for every factory. The Wonder WDMS250 Hybrid Printer provides a complete, efficient, and high-quality printing solution for holiday packaging. Whether it's holiday gift boxes, all kinds of corrugated cardboard, or small batch customized packaging, this machine ensures continuous, stable, and precise paper feeding, laying the most stable foundation for subsequent printing. Holiday packaging orders are high volume and short cycle. Faster printing means shorter lead times, higher production capacity, and lower labor costs. The WDMS250 can easily handle the peak demand for holiday gift packaging, advertising packaging, and promotional packaging. Holiday packaging requires not only speed, but also visual impact. The WDMS250's high-definition inkjet printing system can deliver delicate patterns, rich colors, and precise details. Whether it's Christmas, New Year's, Thanksgiving, or brand-specific custom packaging, the WDMS250 easily delivers high-quality output. Clear images, uniform colors, and clean edges ensure that every package achieves a brand-level presentation. With its neat paper feeding, high-speed printing, and high-definition format, the WDMS250 brings a more stable, efficient, and flexible digital production method to the packaging industry. Make your holiday orders easier and more competitive. Wonder Digital Hybrid Printer, driving the future of printing with technology. For more information, please visit our website or contact us directly.